Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make white color. We'll explore the fundamental principles of color theory, distinguishing between additive and subtractive color models. You'll learn why white behaves differently depending on the context, whether you're working with light or pigments. This foundational knowledge is essential for achieving the perfect white in your projects. Let's dive into the specifics of creating this versatile hue. When working with physical pigments like paints, white is usually a pre-made color. Trying to mix other colors to create white in a subtractive system, where pigments absorb light, generally leads to muddy or gray tones. For instance, combining all primary pigments often yields a dark brown or black. Therefore, for a clean white, it's best to use a dedicated white pigment. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on making white color helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: on another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's fantastic for playing music or getting answers to your color theory questions. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. In contrast, when we talk about light, white is created by combining the three primary colors of light: red, green, and blue. This is the additive color model, which is how your computer screen or television works. When red, green, and blue light are projected together at their full intensity, the result is pure white light. Think of it as adding all the colors of the rainbow together. When painting, always start with a clean palette and brushes to prevent any unwanted color contamination. Applying white paint in thin, even layers can help achieve a smoother, more opaque finish. Remember that the colors around your white can influence how white it appears. A warm white might look different next to a cool blue than it does next to a vibrant red. Experiment to find your ideal shade.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.